In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board, providing you with a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, managing tasks, and collaborating with your team. So let's embark on this journey and get you up to speed with some simple steps. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello.com. It's here that the magic begins as you explore the functionalities Trello offers. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the Login button. Give that a click. If you're new to Trello, you might need to sign up for an account, but assuming you're already registered, logging in will be your next move. You'll now be presented with two options to log in, either with your email or through your Google account. Choose the option you prefer and enter your credentials. It's a handy setup, especially if you like keeping everything streamlined through Google. Once inside your Trello dashboard, navigate over to the board section. Here you will spot a button labelled Create New Board. This is where the creative process begins. Think of this as a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. Clicking Create New Board will prompt you to enter a few initial details about your new board. Begin by giving your board a name. Whether it's a quirky project name or something more formal, this title will help you and your team identify what the board's all about at first glance. Next, select the workspace for your board. This selection helps keep your boards organized, especially if you're managing multiple projects or working across different teams. Choose the environment that fits your needs best. Following this, you'll set the visibility of your board. Trello gives you several options here. You can keep it private, share it with your team, or even make it public if it's something you want out there for the world to see. Carefully consider who you want to have access to the information on your board. Once you've filled in these details, click on Create to bring your board to life. If you ever need to find an alternative path, you can also create a board by clicking the plus button next to your boards. It's a straightforward way to streamline your workflow even further. After all these steps, you'll find yourself ready to dive into organizing tasks with lists, adding cards, assigning team members, and more. Remember, the beauty of Trello lies in its adaptability, so feel free to customize your boards to fit the unique demands of your projects. By following these instructions, you'll have a fully functional Trello board ready for action. Now, it's time to roll up your sleeves and put Trello's powerful features to work for you.